As a science journalist and as a brain scientist, I knew that chronic stress is devastating for your brain. It gets marinated in a toxic cocktail of stress hormones, and it affects two areas in particular. The first area is the frontal lobe, and I brought a human brain model here. It sits in your head like this, and this frontal lobe, we use this to set a goal, to make a plan, to decide what to do first, what to do next. It's the seat of your working memory. You use it to focus on your job, and it keeps your emotions under control. And the second vulnerable part is the hippocampus. It's on either side of the brain, a bit more in the middle. And this is the core of our memory. Now, why are these two areas so sensitive to stress? That's because stress hormones, high stress hormone levels, literally make these cells in these areas shrink. So that's bad news, right? But luckily, brain science has revealed many things you can do to counteract this. And I discovered that when I dove into the literature and in search for ways to improve the brain, and I'll share with you the 4 most important ones. By far, the best thing you can do for your brain is be physically active. The second very important thing you can do for your brain is sleep well. Of course, your brain then also needs good building blocks, food. People who eat a Mediterranean diet have a better brain for a longer time with a better memory and better concentration. Now, what is that, a Mediterranean diet? It sounds like it's all pizza and pasta, maybe. Maybe you hope that, but that's not the case. It's large amounts of fruits and vegetables, that's the basis, and you see fish here lying. Fish is very important because it provides omega-3 fatty acids, and these are essential building blocks for our brain, and we cannot make them ourselves. Well, you see some other proteins and grains, and you also see these healthy fats, olive oil and nuts. And in some studies, these seem to be the 2 secret ingredients that keep your brain healthy for a long time. Then there's a 4th thing you can do for your brain, and that is meditate. And in a basic way, you can look at meditation as a training of your attention, because you sit with your eyes closed and you focus on your breath, and then your mind wanders off to something you have to do, and you put it back on your breath, and it happens again. And in this way, you train your attention and also your flexibility, your emotion control. It seems that many of these functions of the area behind your forehead are strengthened by meditation training. So with these 4 adjustments in your life, you can really counteract the devastating effect of chronic stress and make your brain resilient to it.